Hello, I'm Raghu Chakravarthi. I am the EVP for Engineering and Product, as well as the GM for Americas at Core42. Core42 is a UAE-based AI infrastructure company, and we belong in a conglomerate called G42, which is a UAE national AI service company. We started embarking on this large infrastructure initiative. And right now, what I'm really proud of is that we have landed on this concept of an AI intelligence grid. We are building a notion of an AI factory and distributed across various locations in UAE as well as around the world. From a physical standpoint, at Core42, we lay down our own fiber in the ground. And we can light up these fibers at any point to not only scale up, but also for performance. The second thing is we are building neoclouds. We are doing rail-optimized networking, especially for training. And we are also, for inferencing, do a hybrid networking in terms of rail plus doing other things like NVIDIA. So rail-optimized networking gives us the least amount of latency and the least amount of hops, and we leverage a lot of the Cisco infrastructure in our networking. We are also deploying our infrastructure across multiple data centers. So in this context, the DCI, or the data center interconnectivity, is really helpful. And that's also a very important factor in terms of how we scale. We deploy in the AI intelligence grid smaller clusters which are geographically located separately. And we are able to, with that distribution, able to manage the utilization as well as the scale. And obviously in all of this, the most important thing is the networking, which we manage with a single fabric, which is our own implementation. So reference architectures are important for us. We really believe in diversity of silicon and diversity of networking and also diversity of storage. So we have a heterogeneous environment where we have NVIDIA, AMD, as well as Cerebras. We also believe in networking diversity, where we have both InfiniBand-based architectures as well as Ethernet-based architectures. And the future for us is more towards Rocky V2 and Ethernet-based implementations for both NVIDIA as well as for the other silicon. Data gravity is a larger problem that needs to be solved. The way we think about that is through distributed storage networks, and the data needs to reside, obviously, in a sovereign and a secure manner. The way we solve that problem is to ship the compute to where it's available, where it's most cost-effective, where it's more latent, where it's more low latency. And we ship the data along with it in a sovereign way within our own network to solve that data gravity problem. There were three important concepts that was built into this grid. One is resilience. It can never fail. Second is about scale. As the populations grow, the grid needs to scale. And third is about performance. It needs to always give me the performance that I need. AI is the new frontier. What we are building with the AI intelligence grid is going to put the intelligence at the tip of the fingers for the entire world. And that's what I'm really proud of.